There are several ways to create a sales order in Trayse Inventory. Click Menu, Sales Order, Plus button. If you're already on the sales order layout, click Add in the top application menu. You can also go to Records in the Platform menu and click New Sales Order. Notice the quick key option to keep your hands on the keyboard. The last way you can create a sales order is from a submitted estimate order. A separate video describes this process in detail. When you add a customer, the shipping address will populate based on the company record, but you can change the address here and it will not affect the company record. Both a customer and a warehouse are required before adding line items to the sales order. To add new items to the sales order, click the Add button on the bottom of the list of items. A new window appears to select the SKU. Trayse Inventory ships with this list showing all of the SKUs. However, it can be customized to filter only the SKUs relevant to your sales process. Manually filter the list by adding an SKU or part of an SKU and click Return. The minus button to the right will clear the filter. The list shows how many items are currently available at this warehouse and how many are expected to be received in the near future. If the item has substitutions, then a substitution button will appear. This is helpful if you have a stock out on the original item and want to offer the customer an alternative. Likewise, if the item has upsells, then an upsell button will appear. Upsells are opportunities to offer your customer additional items that relate to the one they want. Substitutions and upsells are set up on the item layout. Go to More, Substitution, and More, Upsell. A separate video describes this process in detail. Click the Select button to add the SKU to the sales order. Enter the quantity you want to order in the dialog box. Items that are sold in lots require a lot number before the Select button appears. If there aren't any lots for that SKU, the Select button will appear. You can add that SKU to the line items and it will show up as a backorder. Close this list by clicking the Escape key on your keyboard, or click the Close button on the lower right of the layout. Items that are serialized or sold in lots are marked with an S or an L, respectively. When an item is out of stock, the quantity number is bold, italic, and red. This is known as a backorder, and a separate video describes this process in detail. A red S and a red L indicate that serial and lot numbers have not been selected. This is expected for backordered items. When the item is available, the serial or lot numbers can be added by going to the three dots and clicking Edit. While the status of the sales order is new, it is possible to add new items, edit, or delete existing items. You can add a discount to the line, to the entire order, or both. Discounts may be a percentage or a monetary value. In Trayse Inventory, handling costs are taxable, but shipping costs are not. If your situation is different, then this can easily be adjusted. Taxes are added as a percentage. Customization is available to automate tax input based on the shipping or billing address of your customer. When you're ready to send the sales order, click the Release Sales Order button at the bottom of the application. The status changes to In Progress and a pick record is generated for any items that are available. Items that are not in stock or only partially in stock create a back order for the balance. The video on back orders explains this in detail. Navigate to the pick record using the left caret icon. A similar icon on the pick record enables users to quickly return to the sales order. Once released, the header fields and the line fields of the sales order are read-only. You can access a sales order PDF by clicking the Print Preview button at the bottom of the application. This may be helpful if your customer requires an order confirmation. Additional sales order features can be found by clicking the More button in the application menu. Options include pick history, assemblies, POs or purchase orders, notes, and documents. These features are covered in detail in another video.